Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raj. Today I'm going to show you how I did this birthday decoration for the party we just had at my house. It's very easy and cheap. Anybody can do it. So I'll show you step by step how I did it and how much I spent it. So let's get into the action. For this decoration I ordered some balloons and a curtain light from Amazon. So first let's open that up. So this is the curtain light I ordered. It's costed me about $25. So this will cover about 9.8 feet high and 9.8 feet wide. It comes with a remote control. It has about 8 different settings. And it comes with a USB power connector. So there are 117 balloons in here in 3 different colors, green, white and gold colors, and different sizes. It's nice they included the glue dots. There are 100 dots in there. Also has a 5-meter balloon chain. So this costed me about $25. Now let me show you the closer look at the string lights. So you connect the power with the USB. This would cover about 10 feet high and 10 feet wide. The reason I bought this light because it's very easy to hang, and also you can reuse it as many times you want. They had nicely tied up each line without messing up. So after you hang it, you simply untie them and then that's gonna go in the order. I'm going to connect this power adapter. This has the USB port so I can connect the light. So this is what I found in my toolbox, so I'm going to be using these curtain hooks.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last year.
I finished hanging them up. Now I'm going to untie these light wires one by one.
Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
I finished setting up the light, so let's check it out. Like I told you, there are 8 different styles. You can change it with the remote, or there's a button on the USB key, and if you press that button you can change those modes.
Squad, I had to learn how to think with my head and my heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. to last. You move slow and I move.
Can you put this on so I can blow it, Daddy? Does that have elastic on it?
I'm going to use this balloon chain to hook up all the balloons. I'm going to hook up all the balloons in one side, and also I'm not going to skip any holes. There are holes in there, but if you find it is too tight, because if you blow your balloon too big, it might be too tight, then you can skip a hole. But me, I'm not going to skip any holes, so I'm going to fill it in all the holes. Let me show you in close up so you can see what I'm doing here. Here on the chain you will see two holes, one is big and one is small. You insert the balloon into the big hole and pull it to the small side, then the balloon will not come out. Actually, I wanted to have white and green combination with the gold in between. But after I started doing it, I realized the balloon that I have is not enough. So I mixed with a different green that I had and also the gold, but I don't really like this combination. Also, I realized that I have a white background and then I choose the white balloon. It wouldn't stand out. It would look nice if I have a different color against a white background. But anyway, I already bought the balloon, so I'm not going to change it. But I went to the store and got a dark green balloon, another set of balloons. So I took everything out what I did. I'm going to redo it with the dark green balloon and the white. Alright, now I'm done with putting up the balloon. So I'm going to use the safety pin to hang the balloon. I'm going to use a thread to wrap it around the balloon and then tie it to the safety pin that I already attached to the curtain.
Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be.
Alright, now I'm done putting up the balloon. Now I'm going to fill in the gold balloon in between using these glue dots.
never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but
we celebrated 2 birthdays same day. My son's 10th birthday and also my mother-in-law's 70th birthday. I made this 70 sign with the cardboard I bought from dollar store, and I cut it and then I made it like a 3D shape, and then I filled it in with the balloon. Originally I planned to put up lights in there, but I didn't get time, so I filled it in with the balloon.
they wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?